Alrighty, what is up, guys? Welcome to day one of the Ultimate Callout Challenge 2023. We are just getting in here, day one. We got to get over to the SPE booth, get everything unpacked out of the trailer, get everything set up, ready to go, and we get right into day one qualifying for the Pro Dragster class. Today they're going to turn it up a little bit and add nitrous, because yesterday was fuel only. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more UCC coverage throughout the video. Alright, so Dragster's out, booth is set up, awning is out. And guys, this is day one. This is Friday, UCC, day one, and there is a boatload of people here. It's very, very cool to see how much this event has grown and to see how many spectators actually come and check this thing out. Because let me tell you, if you guys have never been to the Ultimate Callout Challenge, put it on the list for next year. You guys got to come out. Here's the SPE tables. We got all the cat filter stuff. We got some new parts out. Transmission pans, oil pans, some new turbo stuff, all the nitrous stuff. If you guys were able to swing by and check it out, it was a cool setup.
Baby!
Are you ready?
Oh, ready.
We're ready now.
Jump on here, please.
You could have brought a suitcase.
I should have. I got all this stuff.
So we actually ran the pit straight out of the booth, which was actually pretty cool. You know, everyone got to come up, see the dragster up close and personal. But going to staging lanes, we had to go through the main aisle of the Ultimate Callout Challenge. So that was a little bit of a task to get through the people, but it was cool. Everyone was checking it out, watching it go through. Definitely a cool thing when you see a diesel dragster in person with huge turbos all over it, fabricated piping. It's a cool thing.
You're commentating?
Yeah. What's your predictions? What are you thinking?
Well, it's either gonna go or it's not.
It's gonna go or it's not. Round one of qualifying.
Yeah.
Right now.
So we made some adjustments from last night. We're gonna turn the nitrous on.
So yeah, yesterday with the testing there was no nitrous.
Fuel only. Yeah, fuel only. So we're gonna go for it with nitrous here. Not hard. A little bit of nitrous.
Still, this is testing essentially.
Right.
Yeah.
So the biggest thing is we're trying to get the converter ironed out, like when it comes on, because it's kind of critical. So we don't want to, if we hit the converter too early and too hard, it's going to nuke the tire. Okay. So just do a big burnout. If we do it too late, it's going to come out like a rubber band, and we wasted a bunch of time. You know what I mean? So we got to find that sweet spot. So this
round
is only
one.
our second time out with these tires too. So.
549.
All right, guys, we are on day 2 UCC. It's been a pretty quiet day. Update here shortly on the Dragster. Big update, but SPE truck here. This was just at the shop. Whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of goodies. About to make a pass. Cool truck, love a single cab. We're gonna watch him run. We'll see what he does.
All right, the two guys that are associated with that truck are Brad and PJ. Their Instagram handles are linked right here. Some of the coolest, nicest dudes in the entire game here. Definitely go give those guys a follow and stay up to date with their whole program they got going on with this white single cab. Anyways, day 2, they were able to run the Dragster actually last night on day 1. We actually went to War in the Woods, so unfortunately, I missed the pass where this happened. But they get straight into qualifying session 2. It ran way past time frame. So here is qualifying pass 2. Check it out, and then we'll recap after.
The SPE Motorsport Dragster. 6.7 Powerstroke, triple turbocharged. Dragster class rider sets of 4040. 189 change. Dragster tires, I hear a lot of RPMs and freewheeling.
Alright, so what you're looking at is the slip yoke coming out of the transmission actually like twisted and split and exploded. So what Dan did was they did the first pass on the nitrous and made sure all the nitrous stuff was good. Second pass, they really cranked it up. They changed torque converter lockup, they changed how they're leaving under boost, and also ramped into nitrous. And this is what happened. This was on track to make probably a record pass for this Dragster here, the 6.7 Powerstroke Dragster. And unfortunately, the weak link was found, and it was the slip yoke, and that was an aftermarket one. That wasn't OEM Ford. That was an aftermarket one. So tried and searched, and everyone was on board trying to find a new yoke for the thing. Unfortunately, we weren't able to source one, so the racing part of the weekend was unfortunately over. So from then on, it was hanging out, talking with everyone, checking out all the different booths, and just enjoying the show. It was a really cool deal. I was able to meet a lot of you guys out there, and anyone who came up to me, I really appreciate that. Like, I'm just a regular dude out here. It was very cool. But anyways, that's about a wrap for the Ultimate Callout Challenge 2023. It was an epic 4 days for me and the SPE crew. The toter home is loaded, the stacker is loaded, everything's tore down from the booth. and we are headed out of here. Now guys, at the end of this video, which is coming up right now, I'm going to include the War in the Woods footage. Now the War in the Woods, if you guys don't know what that is, I would highly suggest YouTubing that and checking it out, because whoa, it was sick. It was my first time at the War in the Woods. It was only an hour from us because we're in Indy. That was an hour like south of here, so we figured, you know, we're going to go check that out while we're in the general area. Epic stuff. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know what you think of the Ultimate Callout Challenge. If you were there, did you come say what's up? Also, if you weren't there, make sure to put on your calendar for next year. But anyways, make sure to hit that subscribe button, join the family. As always, I will see you on the next one.
In the left lane, it's Patrick Sparkman on the right-hand side. Tommy, I'm sorry, Tommy.
We're going to stick Mama Hoskinson on you.
Yeah, she'll be up here. Your right-hand driver, Kelly Nate, is your reigning champion here. War in the Woods, number 7 last fall, up against Brandon Moore, looking to put him out. We have never had back-to-back champions, I can tell you that. So, Kelly Nate's
but 2 favorites to win this event.
Yes.